wanted to share my feedback and my learning experience. Uh, I attended recently Agile and Scrum Training arranged by Ciphered Lab trainer Upskilling. So my experience prior to attending this training, fundamental training, Agile and Scrum Training, project delivery approach was largely linear and reactive. While outcomes were achieved, the process often lacked a predictability and the structural prioritization and consistent stakeholder alignment. Recognizing the need for a more scalable and efficient model, I participated in the Agile Scrum Training Program conducted by Ciphered Flow Labs, uh, facilitated by Upskilling. This engagement marked a significant shift in both mindset and execution. Through the introduction to Agile principle, I transitioned from a task-driven approach to a value-driven model. Work was restructured into well-defined sprint, enabling incremental progress, improved visibility, and better control over the timelines. The adoption of daily stand-up announcement and the communication within the team and ensure a real-time tracking of progress as well as identifying the blockers. Sprint planning sessions were introduced clearly in prioritization, aligning the delivery closely with the business objectives. The implementation of the structured backlogs and sprint review brought the transparency across the stakeholders, reducing ambiguity and improvised decision making. One of the most impactful changes was incorporation of retrospectives. This enabled a continuous process improvement, allowing the team to identify gaps, optimizing workflow, and enhance efficiency on an ongoing basis on ongoing project. I experienced measurable improvement in delivery predictability, team collaboration, and stakeholder confidence. Projects were executed with a great consistency, reduce risk, and improve quality outcomes. The training delivered by Ciphered Flow Lab and the Abhishek Tripathi did not merely introduce agile workflow. It enabled a sustainable transmission in how the project are planned and executed